Okay,
You never know where we're at.
take 3.
Okay.
This is not Clear Springs
It's not Clear
or
River.
Clear River. It's Clear Creek. Top of the morning. It's we slept good last night. We had a bunch of coyotes around us last night, but it's a beautiful no cloud morning. It's about 7 in the morning, and yeah, this was a good experience. Nice place to boondock camp. All we have to do is, we're still hooked to the truck, all we have to do is put our jacks up. I made some French press coffee this morning. Yeah, we got a travel day again today. We're probably not going to go as far, but it's hard to stop in the middle of the day. So we'll see where we end up. So Kathy's done it again. She looked up this place. How'd you find this place, Kathy?
Well, you know, when you're traveling, you just look up in every site you can think of. All of them. RV Parky, Campendium, All Stays, iOverlander, everywhere. And this came up, and then I recreation.gov, because we really like being by the water and in the trees, and I found it through recreation.gov.
We are at
Corps of Engineer Park.
We are at Corps of Engineer. It's called what?
Clear Springs.
Another Clear Springs Park. This is, we're in Alabama.
Yeah, near
and
Jasper.
Near Jasper, Alabama. Tomorrow we got about 4 or 5 hour trip to Rutledge, where we're our final destination. But oh, how beautiful, little lake behind us here. We're just here for one night. Maybe we should change it to 2 and just spend the whole day here. Nice and quiet. The sites are, we have a pull-through site, which the back-end ones were real nice too, but because it's pull-through, our front faces right towards the lake. If we'd have backed in, it'd been at an angle slightly to the lake. So we're not unhooking from the truck tonight. The spot is level. It's beautiful here.
It's beautiful.
As tradition would have it, we're taking an evening walk, and Kathy
And we don't
earlier
know where we're at.
called it Clear Springs, and it's Clear River.
Clear River.
So we're at Clear River State,
Clear River
or Corps of Engineer Park,
but it is near Jasper.
Jasper. She
Alabama.
got that right.
Okay.
Kathy's got it figured. We have about 3-4 hour trip tomorrow.
We have
On
no
the-
reservations again.
On the other side,
That's how we do things. We just go and we just live adventurous. We just don't make reservations until we get close to a place, and then we try to find a spot.
but this place isn't packed, so
No.
it was easy.
And usually that is our advantage. We're going during the weekday, not on weekends, so.
Yeah, if it was a weekend, we may not be so lucky.
But I always look and see if when we're traveling about an hour out, I look and see if there's openings, and if there's plenty, then we always just go to the spot and pick our spot usually. Because
Yeah.
we've had some bad spots.
Yeah, last night was pretty neat though.
Oh, I like last night.
All by ourselves, completely dark woods. The only thing at 7:30, the mosquitoes did come out and run us in.
At night, and then in the morning, the coyotes.
Yeah,
Well,
we heard.
At nighttime.
Yeah, we heard a bunch of coyotes. Kathy thought she was dreaming.
I did.
So the shower house, bathrooms are really nice and neat. The spaces are really nicely spaced apart. I don't know how many loops there are. Kathy told you it was $25 per night. Speed limit through here, 5 miles an hour, which is fantastic, especially when there's kids and dogs and bicycles. So,
We're
okay,
stupid. We never know where we're at.
take 3. This is not Clear Springs
It's not Clear
or
River.
Clear River. It's Clear Creek.
Clear Creek.
We finally got it right.
Okay, we got it
Our
right.
son's going to make fun of us, and our daughter always laughs at us because we never know
Never
where
know
we're
where
at.
we're at. But it's Clear Creek. Okay? It still is near Jasper.
It has moved.
Alabama.
It has moved. Okay, this one says a double sight, but if you look at it, it's pretty tight. It's got 2 electrical boxes, 2 water boxes, but if you got 2 campers in there, they'd be pretty close together. Everywhere we go, Piper has to swim. I think she's a fan of fresh water. She wasn't real fond of the salt water. She can come up here and shake. Oh, nope, she's gonna shake right there. Having my morning coffee. Piper's back there walking around. It's a little chilly this morning. I said it's in the 30s or 40s. You know, we have another travel day today, and then we'll be in Georgia, and we'll be settled down for 4 or 5 nights. And lost Piper. Oh, there she is. But what a beautiful park. This would be one of those parks we'd come back to.